So hey guys, welcome to a YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to record 4K video in your Android smartphone. But before starting the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. So let's dive into the video without any further ado. So first of all, go to your phone's camera app, then go to the video. Here you can see in the top the quality is written 1080p 30. Click on that. Here you can see options of 720p, 1080p and 4K. Click on the 4K. Now here you can see I can record 4K and 30 fps in my Android smartphone. In your phone there might be 60 fps available too, and it might be that your phone won't 4K. If it doesn't show 4K, it means that your phone doesn't offers 4K video recording. That's alright. You can record in 1080p also. And here you can see there are two options available in my phone as 1080p 30 fps and 60 fps, and in 720p the same 30 fps and 60 fps options are available. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.